market. I was excited and happy, delighted that I got approved, you understand? And happy that I got everything that I wanted. My name is Christopher Stanislas.
What was the first thought when you heard about the loan grant?
I said the person that thought of that, of helping small businesses, I say that person is brilliant. And when I heard I got it, they called me and they told me, yes, I got it. I said yes.
So the grant was approved, you go, you sign, you get your money.
Right.
What did you do with it?
Everything was tools, right? Because I needed tools to do my work. Without tools, you can't do your work, you understand? So as soon as I got the money, I went out of the VAT. I went online to purchase some tools because not all the tools we have here, right? So we have to go outside to order tools. I just buy all my tools, and now I'm happy because all the tools that I need to do my work, I have it right here. You understand? So I'm excited. I'm good to go. With the tools I purchased, my work was easier and faster. I delivering the customer's vehicle faster. You understand? So that loan was a godsend. You understand? It was a godsend.